How to report a lost or stolen Discover card on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Discover card, well here is how to report it stolen or missing online from your desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just search for the Discover Bank and now here on the search result, just click on the second link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, simply select the debit or credit account that's missing. And there you can click account services or card services and choose report lost or stolen card. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to confirm the card details and indicate whether it's lost or stolen. And Discover will immediately block the card to prevent unauthorized transactions. And with that, a new replacement card will be issued and you will see a confirmation with estimated date. And that's it. That's how you can report a lost or stolen Discover card on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.